guys, I hope your week is off to a brilliant start. It's very early in the morning here and I'm just chugging on a little Chaga in Totoro. I've really been enjoying having Chaga in my coffee first thing in the morning from Four Sigmatics. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for many, many years, and it is believed to support immune function. And I was PubMeding over the past few weeks, and there's actually a little bit of evidence to support that, and it has been consumed for a long time. I think for many of you out there watching my channel, you are in the height of transitioning back to school and an academic routine. I think this is coming up on the time where you're starting to think about those big exams, those first big exams and assignments and papers. You can really get stressed out and B, really run down from staying up studying or working all night. Likewise, those of you out there who are at work, sometimes this time of year can really be busy. Maybe you've got kids and you're trying to coordinate their activities with your work schedule. Just getting from summer to fall, it can be a really stressful transition. People tend to get sick, colds and flus. And I've really been, a fan of these Four Sigmatics mushroom drinks because the adaptogens in them, I feel as though they do impart a sort of calming zen like feeling in my life and really just help with my overall focus and mood and keep me from relying too much on caffeine and being jittery when I need to focus. But you all really enjoyed learning about my morning ritual in my last morning routine video. You seem to really like that, and that garnered a lot of enthusiasm for you guys. You guys really liked that video. And we're curious to know more ways in which I incorporate adaptogenic mixes. So I'm excited because, like that video, Four Sigmatics reached out to me and offered to partner with me on this video to share with you some fun, festive, fall adaptogenic drink recipes that I have created and am excited to share with you. I really am hooked on their mushroom drinks, their adaptogenic coffees, their superfood blends, so I'm really stoked to share some fun recipes with you guys. Make sure you check the description box. I've got a coupon code for you all so you can save a few bucks. That is one of the things, though, I have to say I really like about Four Sigmatics. Unlike other mushroom beverages that I've consumed in the past, you all know I'm a longtime mushroom drinker. Unlike other adaptogenic beverages, they're really affordable. The 10 mushroom blend that I really like is like $1 a serving, and if you subscribe you can save 20%. And I also have a coupon code for you guys who are interested in trying it out. I highly recommend it. It is a good one. So with that, let me share with you guys some fun recipes. I'm going to be doing a plum spice smoothie, a pumpkin spiced coffee, and a nice mushroom hot cacao. So for the spiced plum smoothie, I really love using the superfood blends. It has 10 different mushrooms in it, so it's a great way to get a nice combination of different adaptogenic mushrooms. It has Reishi for stress support, shiitake for immune support. This is a wonderful thing to have first thing in the morning. Keep you focused, keep you energized, not leave you jittery. Also great for upcoming flu season. Now, I'll list all of the ingredients and recipes down below in the description box, but I'm just going to be using half a plum in this recipe and some unsweetened applesauce and pumpkin pie spice. This is really easy to throw together first thing in the morning. Very little brain function needed pre-adaptogen. And I don't add any sweetener to this. The superfood blend does not have any sweetener in it. I find, however, that just using the unsweetened applesauce and the plum is enough sweetness on its own, but you may want to add a little sweetener. That's what the superfood blend looks like. As you can see, it's brown. You may be wondering, does this taste like mushrooms? It really doesn't. It imparts almost a nice autumnal flavor to the smoothie. It really goes well in this. I have to say I'm pretty impressed. A few shakes of the pumpkin pie spice there, and I just add water. You could add non-dairy milk if you like for something creamy, but you can see just adding water, it kind of looks cidery. So it's very festive this time of year. Just a quick blend in the blender there. And I love the idea of having this first thing in the morning. It's also got rose hips in it in addition to the shiitake, so you're getting you know, an added bang of vitamin C from the rose hips. They are rich in vitamin C. Swizzle it into a festive glass. Looks almost like a root beer float. All right. It wouldn't be fall without somebody making a pumpkin spice coffee. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to use their Adaptogen coffee mix. I love using this in this recipe because it's got Tulsi in it, first of all, which is believed to have calming properties. So it's great for those of you who find that you tend to get a little jittery from coffee. It also has astragalus in it for longevity, and the cinnamon in this is perfect for a pumpkin spice coffee. Alternatively, you could use their mushroom coffee mix with lion's mane and chaga. This one's also wonderful. They make an instant packet as well as grounds, and these coffees taste just like coffee. They too don't have any mushroomy taste. But I'm going ahead and adding my non-dairy milk here on the stove to heat it up, and some pumpkin pie spice. I'm sweetening mine with stevia. You might want to sweeten it to your tasting, but this is really fun. And you just heat it up here on the stove. That I'm pretty heavy-handed with the pumpkin. I like that orangey zest, but you can kind of play around with the proportions to your liking. Now I'm going to make up the coffee. I love the instant. It's very quick and easy. You just add a little bit of boiling water to dissolve the granules. And wouldn't you know, you guys know I've been in the market for a frother, and Four Sigmatics has this wonderful one, and it works really well. Highly recommend it if you're in the market for one. It's only 10 bucks and it works like a breeze. It's frothing away there. I added my pumpkin flavored non-dairy milk, and look at the froth on that. That's good for a non-dairy milk. They usually don't froth. Now, nothing happens in life these days unless you document it on 4 different social media avenues. So be sure and snap an Instagram worthy shot and tag #OnShrooms and Four Sigmatics for your Instagram account. Anyways, winding down, I love going at nighttime with this mushroom hot cacao mix. It is decaffeinated. Tastes just like a nice rich hot chocolate. It's got cardamom and stevia, so that blend together is really great. All you have to do, no brainer, just boiling water, and I've thrown on a few vegan marshmallows. And this tastes really rich, really delicious, not overly sweet, just perfect. Already has stevia in it, so you don't need to add anything. So yeah, vegan marshmallows. Turns out gelatin is not a requirement for marshmallows to melt and taste delicious. But anyways, I am really grateful to Four Sigmatics for partnering with me on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipes. Check the description box down below again for that coupon code. Save yourself a few bucks. But these recipes, very, very easy to throw together, and I guarantee you're going to enjoy them. And one of the other things that I really love about Four Sigmatics, all of their beverages are vegan, so you don't have to worry about that. And they have plenty of beverages that are free of caffeine. They even make a decaffeinated coffee, so you can kind of dial in. You're not getting hooked on too many caffeinated things and turning yourself into a jittery mess. But comment below on if you've tried these and what your favorite ones are. I know many of you have purchased them and really are loving them and are likewise hooked on shrooms like yours truly. But anyways, guys, I'm going to conclude the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.